Hi everyone. So today we will discuss the geographical divisions of MP. We'll start with looking at the map of MP based on geographical divisions. The first one is Madhya Bharat Plateau. Next is Bundelkhand Plateau, Malwa Plateau, River Panna Plateau, Narmada Son River Basin, and Satpura Michael Mountain Region. At the right of it, we have Bagelkhand Plateau. These are the major divisions of MP based on geographical divisions. We'll look at them one by one and see how they form, what are the major rivers passing through them, what are the specific features about those regions. Starting with the first one, that is Central Highlands of MP. There are 5 subparts of the Central Highlands of MP. The first one we have is Malwa Plateau. Next one we have is Madhya Bharat Plateau. Next one we have is Riva Panna Plateau. And the next one is Bundelkhand Plateau. And here we have Narmada Son Valley. These are the 5 divisions of Central Highlands of MP. Moving on, the first one, Malwa Plateau. So going to the history of Indian subcontinent. So इंडियन सबकॉन्टिनेंट का जब फॉर्मेशन हुआ था उसके लिए देयर वाज सिंगल प्लेट जो अफ्रीकन प्लेट थी उससे डिवीजन हुआ इंडियन सबकॉन्टिनेंट का एंड जो इंडियन सबकॉन्टिनेंट था समथिंग लाइक दिस इट स्टार्टेड मूविंग after dividing from Africa towards its present position. It started moving towards the north, and in this north movement it crossed Indian Ocean. So while crossing Indian Ocean, there were various volcanic eruptions. So due to these volcanic eruptions, there was a formation of this Malwa Plateau. So Malwa Plateau is formed by these volcanic eruptions, which are not like plains, like some conical shaped structure would be formed. Later on, after weathering and erosion like activities and erosion, it formed the present day structure that is Malwa. Basically, these plateaus now have a height of around 500 meters. Max height is 500 meters. It can be from 300 to 500 meters. The height which is present now is just this much. Because of erosion, because of uh, various erosional activities, river crossing here. As we know, there are various river crossing Malwa Plateau. We have Chambal River, very famous one. We have Shipra. Kali Sindh passes here. Betwa also passes from this region. So major district of Malwa Plateau, Malwa region are, we can also see the district, major ones, not all. So like we have Bhopal here, we have Ujjain, we have Ratlam, Vidisha. So these are the major districts of this region, Malwa Plateau. If we even see what are the rocks present here, so they are majorly basaltic rocks are present here. Basaltic rocks are found in Malwa Plateau region. As we know, Maharashtra is a Deccan Plateau region. Black soils are found over there. So this region is just adjacent to the Deccan Plateau region. So the rocks found here are mostly basalt. That's it for the Malwa Plateau. Moving to the next one, that is Madhya Bharat Plateau. So how this Madhya Bharat Plateau is formed? It is, we can say that this Madhya Bharat Plateau ever formed the structure. This is the map. Here we have Vindhyas. So if Vindhyas will go like this, some parts will also fall in the Madhya Bharat plateau region. These are the some scraplands of the Vindhyas. Yeah. So Chambal crosses this region. A major river which crosses this is Chambal. And Chambal is famous for forming bihards. In English, it is known as ravines. Bihards are the structure like, let's say, river. River is crossing in a streamlined way this way, but it won't go streamline. It will form some structure like this. Uh, they are structure made up of sand. So there are some structure which will be formed by sand. This kind of structure, like a blockade for everything. Due to the shortage of trees in the region, very huge deforestation in the region, these kind of structure are formed. It is impacting our nature also. Natural flow of the river is impacted. Chambal River has formed lots and lots of big herds in the Madhya Bharat Plateau region. It is impacting the agriculture and other agriculture related activities also. The natural life of the river is also impacted. These kind of mud-like structure are formed in the river and covered a very huge region. These are beherds majorly found in the Madhya Bharat Plateau region. The districts which are very famous here are Gwalior, Bhind, Shivpuri, Shiopur. These are the reasons. Majorly, if we can say about the height, it is around 300 meters. The height is not much here because Vindhya started since from here, and here its height is not much. If there are some parts of the Vindhya, very small hills are present over there, the height is very less. This is Madhya Bharat Plateau. Next one we have is Reva Panna Plateau. This is also very famous one, and as we have this map. So here in this region we had Malwa, and here we have Reva Panna. Reva Panna is extension of Vindhyas. This is Vindhya. So these are the mountainous regions kind of. Their height, we can see that their height is from starts from 300 but can reach till 450, 480 meters also. So its height is 450 to 480. Yeah. This is for River Panya Plateau. We can see the major rivers crossing this. The major rivers are like Tons, Kane. Kane is also very famous river crossing this region. Son also crosses this region. These are the major river system present here. The rock system as Vindhyas are there, Vindhyas scraplands are there. So Kudappa river, Kudappa rock system and Vindhyas rock group are also there. These are the rocks found here in this region. Major rock system and the major rivers crossing this region. Formed by the Vindhyas only. We have peaks in this region, and the highest peak here is Goodwill, also known by the name of this peak, also known by the name of Sadbhavna Peak. Sadbhavna Peak. So these are the specific features about the Revapanna Plateau. Next one we have is Narmada Son Valley region. So Narmada Son Valley region, we can also see this region. Yeah, in the map as we have already seen. This this is the Narmada. This is a rift, and above this we have Vindhyas. These are the Vindhyan rocks. Vindhyan rocks. So this the Narmada zone passes through a rift valley, which is very much deepest. Yeah. So some hills are present here. Like we have Janapav. Janapav is a hill where from where Chambal originates. It's a very famous hill. We have hills like Mukundwar. Mukundwar is also a hill over here. Various hills are present in this region. So, and we have the highest peak here, Cigar. Cigar is the highest peak here, and the peak has height 881 meters. This is the highest peak of Vindhyachal ranges, below which we have the Narmada Son Valley. Average height of this Vindhyas is 500 meters only. These are not much high, 500 meters. As we know that here it reached till height of 450, 480. At the center, at the peakest point, it has 500. And the highest peak is 881. Max height is this 881, 880, 890, this one only. So this is about Narmada Son Valley. And the next one we have is Bundelkhand Plateau. So looking at the map of it, this region is Bundelkhand region. It consists of some part of MP and UP as well. It is formed during Archean age. Rivers crossing this are Betwa, Kane, and Sindh River. Normally, the height which is found here is 150 to 400 meters. This is the range of height present here. And the highest peak which is present in this region is Siddh Baba, a very famous peak, Siddh Baba Peak, which has height of 1172 meters. This is the famous highest peak of Bundelkhand Plateau region. So major district in this region are, as we have Tikamgarh here, Niwadi here, some parts of Sagar also. These are the districts. The rocks found here majorly are granite rocks. Granite knees. These are the rocks which are found here. This is about Bundelkhand Plateau. Moving to the next one. Satpura Michael. So in Satpura Michael range, this is the Narmada Valley. Below this we have Satpuras. Satpuras are very famous mountain ranges. The name implies that it is formed of 7 series. The major one of them are, the first one we have Rajpipla series. This is series. And here we have Satpura. The Satpura near to this, or the sub part of it, is Mahadev. Mahadev series, a very important and famous one, Mahadev series. And next to this is Michael. At the east we have Michael series. So this Satpura consists of all these three. Firstly, we have Rajpipla. This is on the westernmost side of the Satpuras. And we have Gateway of South. There is a hill which is Burhanpur. Burhanpur works as a pass. As we have heard about various passes in the North India, similar to them, there are passes in Madhya Pradesh also. So the pass is Burhanpur Pass. So this is gateway to south from MP. Some hills like Barwani, Bijagarh are also present. Asirgarh, we have fort also, Asirgarh fort. This Asirgarh fort is present in Rajpipla. It's a very famous ports, very famous hill stations are also there, and passes are present in the Rajpipla. Next series we have Mahadev series. Mahadev series is the main part of the Satpura. The highest peaks are also found here. This is the main highest one. So we a very famous one is Dhupgarh. Dhupgarh is a very famous one. It is 1350 meters. This is the highest one, and it is found in the Mahadev series. Panchmani is also present here in the Mahadev series. Panchmani. Panchmani and Dhupgar are present in the Mahadev series. A famous river which crosses here is Tava River. Tava River is also crosses through this region, Mahadev series region. Yeah. And the next one we have is Michael series. And so in the Michael series, it is the extension of Satpura. Satpura started from Rajpipla, Mahadev, Michael. All these are Satpuras. So this Michael is originated as a process of volcanic eruption. It is created as a process of volcanic eruption. The highest peak in the Michael is Amarkantak, a very famous one, Amarkantak plateau, and the height is 1124 meters. This is very famous one. Yeah, this is all about Satpura Michael. The next plateau we have is Baghelkhand plateau. So moving at Baghelkhand and looking at its, it is present at the rightmost corner. Baghelkhand is present at the rightmost corner. It is formed the Baghelkhand, this region, the easternmost region. Eastern region is Baghelkhand region. This Baghelkhand is formed during the time of Gondwana age. Gondwana age. Its composition is mainly Gondwana rocks and also some Vindhyas rocks. So composition will be Gondwana rocks only. There is a very famous concavo convexo hills present here. Concavo convexo hills which are present in Baghelkhand plateau region. So cave hills are the Aravali hills, old Aravali hills parts. Very old Aravali hills are also present here. And a very important, as we also know it, is Singrauli. Singrauli is famous for coal also in MP. This one. And next basin is Sohagpur basin. Sohagpur basin of MP. It is present in MP and Chhattisgarh as well. So we are discussing for MP now. Sohagpur is also a important site which is present in this Baghelkhand plateau region. So that is it. And if we discuss about the river, so river we have here is uh, the only river which is famous here is Son river. So this is all about the Baghelkhand plateau. I hope you understand the topic well. Thank you for watching.